Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this channel, we are going to be discussing a unique indicator which some may consider to be the best buy-sell indicator for day trading. Meanwhile, this indicator is gaining attention for its clear trend signals, buy and sell zones, and ability to remove market noise. So in this video, we are just going to be breaking down how the purple cloud indicator works, why it is effective, and how you can use it for better trade entries and exits. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the purple cloud indicator to the chart. All right. Okay, so this is the purple cloud indicator added to the chart. It is a trend following tool that overlays a cloud on your chart. All right. Well, you can see that the indicator helps to identify the prevailing momentum with a coloring on the candlesticks. It does not exactly regard pullbacks. As you can see, it doesn't give regard to pullbacks. So long as the prevailing momentum is a bearish momentum, all the candles are going to be red in color, irrespective of the pullbacks. The candlesticks remains red throughout. And when bullish momentum is prevailing, the candlesticks remain green. So long as the indicator has identified a bullish momentum, the candlesticks will be green. And when it identifies bearish momentum, the candlesticks is going to be red. So sometimes it might look as if, there is some, inconsistencies, because here now, in as much as there was bearish moment, in as much as the price was making kind of higher high, although it seemed to be a very gentle slope, higher high and higher lows, the indicator still highlighted bearish momentum as a result of the red coloring. Can you see that? At this point, the indicator was green, the coloring was green, despite the descending wedge pattern. Here it's changed to red. But what this is going to tell us is that this place was a consolidation zone. This is one of the things that this is going to tell you. Because if you go to a clear trend, for example, this is a clear sell trend, right? It's a clear sell trend. And as you can see, the candle remained red throughout because this trend was clear. So whenever you notice, and this was a clear buy trend, so the candlesticks remained green throughout. So whenever you notice some inconsistencies, just know that it's likely a consolidation market, like what we had happening here. These inconsistencies was just proof that we had a consolidation market. So basically, this indicator is designed to filter out weak signals, highlighting strong trend shifts, and give traders a clear view of when to buy and sell. You can see there is even precise entry point for a buy. There's precise entry point for a sell. You can see this signal. There's precise sell entry signal, precise buy entry signal. Okay, so what makes this indicator stand out? One is it tries to limit confusing signals. That is the reason why if a trend is clearly upwards, all the candlesticks will just be painted in green. So it's going to help you to avoid misinterpreting a pullback for a reversal. Because if a pullback is about to happen and maybe the color changes to red, you might think it's a reversal. But this indicator is not perfect, okay? It does not guarantee profit and it's not 100% accurate. That is the reason why this happened. At this particular scenario, in this particular scenario, the indicator painted red, quite all right. But shortly afterward, it changed back to green, showing that this breakout that happened did not eventually prevail. You can see this is a trend line, right? So based on technicals, this breakout was supposed to lead to a continuation to the downside, right? So despite the initial move, some pips, in fact, let's calculate how many pips it moved, right? You can see that it moved over 2% from here to here, right? And then after that, this particular support zone held. Can you see this particular support zone held and price got rejected and started going back up? Then the indicator changed to green. So if you are in a sell trade here, once you notice this happen, you can just exit immediately. It might be break even, it might be in a little loss. Okay, but then if you had entered a buy here, you would have recovered whatever you might have lost here because the sell move was short and then the indicator was quick to give a buy signal after it identified the fact that this breakout was invalid. Okay, so now what am I trying to say? This indicator tries to reduce confusion by making it clear when when a bullish momentum is prevailing and when bearish momentum is prevailing as well. Okay, and this indicator works on any market. You can use it for forex, stocks, crypto, or indices on any time frame. Okay, the indicator is quite straightforward. It's quite straightforward. All you have to pay attention to is the coloring of the candle. Just ensure that the coloring is consistent. If you have consistent green coloring, show that the bullish trend is prevailing. If you have consistent red coloring, it shows that bearish trend is prevailing. But if you have a mix, red, green, it shows that you are likely in a consolidation phase. Alright, so you might want to just stay out of the markets and then focus on trending markets like what we can see happening around here. Okay, so it's better to use this indicator in a trending market. And when you have this rocket indication, it shows a buy signal, right? A buy move is incoming. And when you have this, something like like an asteroid falling or something like that, when you have this particular indicator, it shows that is a sell move that is incoming. Okay, now to maximize the power of the purple cloud indicator, you just have to follow these steps. One is you wait for a confirmed trend shift before entering a trade. When a reversal is about to happen, like when this reversal was about to happen, you can see the trend reversed from a sell to a buy, right? So when a reversal is about to happen, ensure that in addition to the changing in color and the appearance of this, whether buy signal or sell signal, make sure that you get candlestick confirmation. Get candlestick confirmation. For example, look out for a bullish candlestick for a bullish reversal or a bearish candlestick for a bearish reversal. Okay, and then you can use this indicator with other indicators like the RSI or MACD for stronger confirmation. In addition to your candlestick confirmation, also to add on other technical indicators for extra confirmation. Okay, and check multiple time frames. A trend on the 5-minute chart, or it's a trend on the 5-minute chart is stronger if it is confirmed on the 15 minutes and the 1 hour, for example. Okay, so try as much as possible to always get confirmations across different time frames. All right, especially with respect to price structure, market structure, and price action. All right, so how does this compare to traditional indicators? Well, there are several indicators that are slow, making it hard to catch reversals early. However, the purple cloud indicator adjusts dynamically to price action, meaning that you get faster signals. Okay, so if this strategy helps, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips, and turn on notifications. Have you tried the purple cloud indicator before? What is your experience with buy sell indicators for day trading? Drop a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.